The smartest, simplest, easiest way to earn $1,000 a month right now with ChatGPT and TikTok is by utilizing an entirely copy and paste strategy that we have just launched today and finally figured out, and I want to show it to you. So, what am I talking about? Let me show you. My name is Ryan Borden. Let's jump into this here. If we look at PayPal, we can see the past 30 days is like $132,000. The past 7 days is $17,000. And so obviously this is just a piece of what is possible. I said here that you could make $1,000 a month because the simple truth of the matter is that it takes a lot of work to get to $132,000 in a month, but it is exponentially more realistic and so much easier to get to $1,000 a month right now. And you could make more than $1,000, but the $1,000 a month strategy is super easy. It's literally copying, pasting with this new viral video system. So what is this? Well, basically, there's a couple of things that I want to mention. But first of all, if you can give me a yes, if this is the kind of content that you want, because it of course helps with YouTube. But I really want to know if this is the right path of the trainings that you want. And so that helps me to gauge that because I can look and see this video got so many yeses and that video got less yeses. So we like this content over here. More people are interested in it. So let me know what you think. Just like stop right now, hit a yes in the comments for me and let me know. The second thing here is the viral video vault. So that just kind of jumps us in. What is that? That is something brand new that we just came out with. You can see it at this website right here. And you can go here and enter your email address. And once you enter your email address, then you'll be taken over to this page here. And on this page, you can see there's a video that is kind of a walkthrough video that shows you everything that's going on and then some more information. And then, of course, you can get in as well. So what is this? Well, the Viral Video Vault is an entire system. And of course, you can go here and watch this video, which I would encourage you to do as well once you go to this website and then enter your email address. But what it is it's a 3-step system. So let's talk about what it is. We are going to give you a bunch of videos in the system that you can download. So every month you get videos. Let me show you. So this is the back-end system, and this literally came out today. So we are still building out the videos. Of course, you can't use an entire month's worth at once. So we're going to build this out over the month, and then it gets new each month, right? So this is February of 2023 when I'm making this. And so February 2023, we can download videos that we produce for you. So we do all the video creation. You don't even have to create the videos for you. We're going to do it for you. And you literally download the videos. And then you utilize this checklist here. The checklist is going to give you a process that's very short where you download the video and then you re-upload the video to TikTok. And you're going to get the video set up on TikTok. And then if you want to then, of course, grow further, then you're going to get the video set up on like YouTube, shorts and that sort of stuff. So the checklist walks you through that. You literally download the video, upload it, follow a super simple process, and then we're going to get an affiliate link, which is how we're ultimately going to get paid. But we're going to upload this, follow the process and get views on the video. Because ultimately what it boils down to is this. If you get views, you copy the video, download it, paste it, aka upload it into the TikTok, and then you're going to get views by following the checklist. And at the end of the day, the views are going to turn into money. And how is the views going to turn into money? Well, let me show you. So we go to TikTok and we upload the video. When we upload the video, we're going to take and put an affiliate link, which we can get here under the affiliate link setup section, and we're going to put it in the comments, right? So we say the videos are going to be like, listen, go here and look in the comments, and we get it. If you want to do an extra step on top of that, you could put it in the video itself, but you don't have to. You can literally just paste the affiliate link. You don't need redirect links or anything. We have this set up where you can paste the affiliate link right into the comments. And once you do that, then you're going to follow the process in the checklist and it's going to get views on it. So this system will get views on your videos. The videos that you don't even have to create. And then when people engage and they see your link, they'll click the link and then you get paid. Now, the great thing about this is you can promote this viral video system itself, and it's a super slick offer because it teaches people how to get views on the videos really fast, and it gives them that without them having to do a ton of work, and it's only $27 a month. So when someone signs up for this, you get paid every single month, right? So what does that mean? When someone goes here and they sign up, they pay $27 a month. So you can promote this offer. They pay $27 a month, and we'll give you all the videos to promote this offer as well. And then each month you get your percentage, which is 50% of the $27. So if someone signs up today and they're a customer for 6 months, you get paid every month for 6 months. If they're a customer for 6 years, then you get paid every month for 6 years. And then of course, every month here in the back end, we're going to give you, so there's February, then there'll be March, then there'll be April. We're going to give you new videos around the latest thing that is trending that you can use to promote this, right? So you can use the videos to promote it, and you can use the videos to get traffic, views, basically. And then ultimately those people can click on your links and you can get paid. So what about this? Well, whenever we go to upload our video, we might want to put in the title. So it's less important on TikTok. It's more important on YouTube, but we can go right over here to ChatGPT and we can just say, so whatever the video is about, let's say the video is about the viral video system. That's simple. We're talking about that. Give me 3. Here, let me do this. All right, so I gave it some simple parameters. I told it a little bit about the program. Obviously, you want to type that out. Right, so now it's giving us titles. Unlock the power of viral videos with our copy and paste system. Right, awesome title. So here is our title for when we're uploading the video to YouTube. So we're literally going to get the videos from the viral video system, upload them to TikTok, and follow the checklist to get views on the videos. Then we're going to upload them to YouTube, follow the checklist to get views on the videos, and then now ChatGPT has even given us a title for that as well. You don't have to go that far, but ChatGPT is pretty awesome. It's a AI that we can give something simple to, and it'll give us great titles. And a good title can be useful on a video. So it's an optional point that you can do as well, but we can go ahead and do it. And so then what are you going to do? Well, you're just going to do this over and over again. So you're going to go in here and you're going to get the first video. You're going to download it. You're going to follow the checklist and get the views on it and put your affiliate link there in the comments and follow through. And then you're going to go back and you're going to get the next video. We're going to be constantly adding videos in here. So you're going to get the next video and you're going to download it. You're going to upload it to TikTok, follow the checklist, upload it to YouTube, follow the checklist, simple, straightforward. And you're just going to keep doing this over and over again, because the more videos that you upload by utilizing, download them from us and then upload them to TikTok, YouTube, etc., the more views you're going to get as you use this system. And ultimately, views translate to money, because the more views you get, the more people are going to find your affiliate link, and the more they're going to click on it, and then the more you're going to get paid, basically. Is what it boils down to at a simple level strategy. So you're just going to keep going at this over and over and over and over and over again. And then next month, you're going to go at it over and over and over again, right? And you can definitely earn more than $1,000 with this, but this is a smart way to start earning. So if you are already earning, $50,000 a month online, then this probably isn't a really great strategy for you, because you already have something else figured out, or maybe you're following something else that we have shown you in the past and you've become successful and you're building it up, right? But $50,000 a month takes a lot of work, and it takes a strategy, and it's a higher level, and you just have to do different things, and you have to be more creative, and it's just very different, because that's like $600,000 a year, and that puts you in the top 1% of earners in the world, right? So $1,000 a month, we really worked hard to bring a system that makes it easier to get to a more achievable level, much simpler, much smarter, and much quicker. Obviously, you can get to $1,000 a month quicker than you can get to $50,000 a month, or even $10,000 a month. Now, you can use this system to get to $1,000 a month, and then you can double that and get to $2,000 a month, and so on and so forth. And then once you have this down, there are other strategies that you can use to kind of level up to the next level, because this will only take you so far to so many $1,000s a month. But right now, we have to get from wherever you are to $1,000 a month, and then $2,000 and $3,000, right? So we have to build it, and we have to start. And the most important thing is starting and taking action. So how would you even do that? How would you start and take action? But first, before we take action, does this make sense? Does it make sense that you have to start somewhere, and the simplest place to start and the best place to start is a smart way that's copy and paste easy? I mean, does that make sense? Wouldn't it make sense to start with the lowest hanging fruit and the simplest method? I mean, this method, like I said, isn't going to make you $50,000 a month, but this is a fantastic starting point to get to $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month, etc. Don't you think that that's a great way to start? Right. So if that makes sense and you want to start, and you will have to take action. You do actually have to download the videos and just walk through the really basic checklist, but this is pretty easy. I mean, I don't think we could make it any easier. You don't even have to make the videos. So once we do that, the way to start is to go over here and go to this website right here. And you'll be able to go here and enter your email address. And once you get to the website, then at the very top here there's another video here. And it might get pushed a little bit down the page, or the content might change because this is super new. But this is the page. It's still the same website. You go here, enter your email address, and then watch the next video. And just get started by downloading videos and uploading them. And away you go. In fact, when this video is being made, we actually are having a pre-sale, so you can get in earlier here and lock it in instead of paying more for it later. So, I mean, it makes sense to me to get in now and get it while the price is less, because this $27 price here that I mentioned is going up. And the cool thing is, when the price goes up, you get paid a commission, a percentage for the affiliate stuff. So you can go ahead and get in now when the price is low, and then as the price goes up, anybody that you get, when you download the videos and you promote it and they sign up, you get a commission of the higher price. So it's really just a great timing, because you can get in at the cheap price and then other people are going to pay the higher price, which gets you more commission down the road. And again, it's every single month. So again, go to this website, enter your email address, watch this next video, and get in now while the pre-sale and the lower price is going on, and then happy money making.